Attention, crew! This is your little maverick speaking. I'm gearing up for the most important flight of my life, my baptism. On May 18, 2025, at Graceland Alliance Church, I'll be officially taking off on my journey of faith. You're invited to witness this special mission as I'm welcomed into God's family with all the love and blessings from above. After the mission is complete, let's celebrate together at my headquarters. So suit up, mark your calendars, and get ready to soar with me. Mission baptism is cleared for takeoff. And with you by my side, it's going to be an unforgettable ride. See you there, crew!